Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two reports in Expensify. We'll start in the new Expensify interface and quickly switch to Expensify Classic, where the merge action lives, then bring everything together and save your changes. Begin by opening new Expensify in your browser. Make sure you're signed in and on the home screen so the left-hand navigation is visible. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see all options clearly. In the left navigation, look for the Account section. This is where you'll find the settings you need to access troubleshooting tools. Click Account to open your profile and settings area. Take a moment to let the page load fully. Sometimes these settings panes take a second, especially if you have multiple workspaces. Next, click Troubleshoot. This option exists to help you access advanced functions and legacy tools. We're using it because the merge workflow we need is available in the Classic experience. Inside Troubleshoot, select Switch to Expensify Classic. Confirm the switch if prompted. The Classic interface will load and you'll notice a more traditional navigation bar across the top. Once you're in Classic, click Expenses. This view lists your individual expenses and is the staging area to consolidate items that belong together. To prepare for a clean report merge, select the expenses you want to combine. Typically, these are duplicates or overlapping items that appear across two reports. Look for matching dates, merchants, and amounts. Select each expense you want to include in the merge, making sure you've got the correct entries before moving on. With your expenses selected, click Merge. Expensify will combine those selections into a single, consolidated expense. If there are small differences between items, the system prioritizes the most complete details, but you can review the merge result for accuracy right away. This step helps prevent duplicate lines and keeps your final report tidy and accurate. When you're satisfied with the merged expense, click Save. Saving commits the changes and updates any affected reports. Give it a moment to process, then scan your reports or expense list to confirm everything looks right. This quick review helps ensure totals are accurate and there aren't any leftover duplicates. That's it. You opened a new Expensify, went to Account, used Troubleshoot to switch to Expensify Classic, opened expenses, selected the items you wanted to consolidate, merged them, and saved. Following this process keeps your reports clean and makes approvals and reimbursements faster and clearer. Thanks for watching, and great job streamlining your reports.